Hey guys, so in today's video we're gonna talk about how you can basically send crypto USDT from Binance to Binance. So from another account to another account. So let's say the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to find out what is our USDT crypto address. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on deposit and deposit crypto. After that, we're gonna select coin. So the coin we want is USDT. Click on that. After that, which is very important, we're gonna select network. The network I'm gonna select is BSC. And after that, we are going to click on get address. And we just got our USDT BSC address. You are going to copy that. And when you get into your another Binance account, this address is gonna be very important. So how do you withdraw your USDT? So the thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to wallet right here. After that, you're gonna click on overview. Click on overview. Then in the estimated balance, you are going to find the USDT. Click on that. And after that you can deposit, withdraw it, or transfer it. We are going to withdraw it. Click on withdraw, and we are going to get to this page right here. So in the withdraw crypto, we are going to click on USDT, and in the address we are going to paste the address we got from another account. In the network, as you can see, or as you did see, we clicked on BSC, so it's the BSC. Yes, I'm sure. After that, you're just gonna select the amount you want to send to your or another Binance account and just click on withdraw. And that's it, guys. We did it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.